Hello, sweet sunshine. I'm Daisy the flower, and this is my garden diary. Every day, something new blooms out here. Buzzing bees, whispering roots, or tiny wonders you might miss if you don't look closely. Come sit with me, and I'll tell you what I've noticed today. Today's page is full of squiggly, wriggly, teeny tiny magic. Let's dig in. Did you know that right beneath your feet, a whole garden party is happening? Worms may look wiggly and shy, but oh, they're so important. They dig twisty tunnels that let air and water reach plant roots. They even poop out little piles of garden gold. That's worm compost. And even smaller than worms are microbes, tiny helpers we can't even see. They break down old leaves, fallen petals, and even rotting roots. Together, they turn yesterday's leftovers into tomorrow's plant food. All those nutrients go right back into the soil, so everything in the garden can grow again. It's like the garden's way of giving itself a big, cozy hug. So next time you see a worm wriggling by, or feel the soft earth under your toes, remember, even things you can't see, or things that squiggle, help the garden grow strong. Thanks for blooming with me today. Keep growing, keep wondering, and I'll see you next time, right here in the garden.